Hello, my client. Hope you are doing well. So I am Ijaz Ahmad, founder Ahmad CRM Production. So first of all, I introduce myself. Then I will explain about my experience in ClickUp, Notion, everything. So as a founder Ahmad CRM Production, and I am offering project management, virtual assistant services, and CRM services with the last 4 years experience and other services our YouTube automation. By the way, today our topic is project management related, so I discuss this project management. So if we talk about ClickUp, Notion, etc., so I have a 4 years experience in ClickUp, Monday CRM. By the way, I am officially part of Monday CRM, Notion, Airtable, and Asana. I have a good expertise in these tools. By the way, you want to migrate your data from Notion to ClickUp. So we will discuss just ClickUp and Notion. And I will share my screen and I will show you everything with my portfolio, with my project management, etc. Like I have done in previous. I am top rated on Upwork and level 2 seller on Fiverr last like 4 years experience. So now I'm going to show you ClickUp project management and etc. Let's say I'm going to share my screen. So hope you can see my screen. So this is my portfolio website where I have set up everything, Notion SIO. So here you can see here I have Upwork multiple profile. In this profile, Ijaz Ahmad profile, I have earned 3K plus dollar, like 4K, 4,000 plus in this profile I have 1K plus. In multiple profile I have like running in Upwork. So this is Upwork journey and Fiverr. I am top rated level 1 level 2 seller in different profiles. So now I'm going to show you my experience in ClickUp related. So this is a ClickUp project management, my portfolio. So this is dashboard I have set up, and this is marketing ClickUp project. This is my one of client. I have transferred their data from Notion to ClickUp. This data I have transferred from Notion to ClickUp. This is marketing setup related project. Then move next. Then move next. And then this is the real estate related. Then this 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 is dashboard. And this and I have other, this is some screenshot I have captured for my portfolio. By the way, I have completed multiple project in my client with successfully. So you check out this video, then let's conduct a Zoom call if you want to. Then we will discuss after view your data, then we will analyze how can I help you in your business. How I will set up your data from Notion to ClickUp, everything. Definitely, every freelancer want to work with the long term. So best wishes, and hope we will same way after see your progress, work progress, etc. So I am waiting your positive response and best hope. Thank you.